Hey guys, today I want to share something about wall spacers. If you want your car have a better appearance or you want to install valve of different size, installing wall spacer is a good choice. Wall spacer can create a bit more space between the valve hub and the exhaust. Some people will worry about the wall spacer safety, so today I want to introduce this Bonos Forged Lightweight Plus wall spacers. This Bonos wall spacers material is forged aluminum alloy 7075T6, and we can see here is hollowed out. Under the premise of insurance safety, this wall spacer is extremely light. And this is the hub sentry. Hub sentry can avoid the problem of the vehicle vibration. And now we can see the groove. It's for easy to remove. Look at the knurling design. Does it very beautiful? It is worth mentioning that it's a dog anodizing treatment, so it has a long anti-rust time. If you are going to buy the wall spacers, I recommend you could try this Bonos Forged Lightweight Plus wall spacers. Want to learn more? Welcome to subscribe my channel. Bye!